Hey guys, it's your boy Bullet here, back again. We're looking at the 5.0 today. It's my dad's car, his pride and joy. Sorry about the mess, it's been sitting for quite a while. Definitely needs a bath and a few other things, but anyway, I just wanted to give everybody a little rundown on what Dad has set up on the car. And I did a lot of the work when I was, in my teens and early 20s, and when me and Dad had a big relationship, after I was basically grown and moved out and all that. And we spent a lot of time on this car. He spent a lot of money, I spent a lot of time. He did some wrenching, I did a lot of wrenching, so it is what it is. Anyway, Dad loved his chrome, so everything he could get chrome or blue for this car, he got. So got your BBK stuff. I believe the headers are BBKs too. The little shorties down there. They weren't real pretty back in the day. I think probably be cleaned back up. Polished alternator, chrome. Oh yeah, needs to be shined back up. Got our MSD cap there for our distributor. I don't know what we were doing there, but we did what we had to do. Excel ignition coil. So, big old mess of hunk of wires over here for battery relocation, and it had subs in it at one time, and just, yeah, it's just what we did. Polished aluminum, fan shroud, dual fans, Mushimoto. Probably wouldn't have been, a Ford guy's choice, but it worked out real well for this car. It kept this car real cool. It's actually not the stock radiator either. We changed it too. It's actually bigger than what it should be. Car had a lot of cooling issues, especially when you took it on long rides and stuff. Don't know why. It was just, I guess, a Mustang thing for the era. So we got it to where the car would stay cool all the time. We actually had a red one at one time, and actually this panel right here is off the red car, so it's actually two Mustangs there together on that piece. All the rest of the car is exactly the way it looks when we got the car. I believe we bought it in the early 2000s, and Dad loved the car. I mean, it was his pride and joy. I mean, he even still has the original owner's manual, and it doesn't look that bad. That's the, there you go, 93 Mustang. She is a 25-year emblem car, which is kind of cool. It even has the map light up here in chrome, which we thought was really cool. Had cruise control and all that stuff too. Of course, we took all that out. Race car. At least we thought back then. But yeah, some of the stuff that some generous people have given us and to help get the project going on, and the Cobra intake was the last thing Dad bought for this car. So got the big mass airflow sensor there. Like I said, Dad bought everything polished or chrome or blue. He even went as buying the silver and blue speakers to go in the car like that. So car has been out of date for a long time, but there's the kill switch for the battery. It's hard to see it because of the light right there. On and off, little hidden gem Dad wanted me to put in, so we discussed where to put it, and we put it in. It's got the GT wing, GT body kit. Dad went in and started doing wood grain. This is my dad's craftsmanship. The passenger side's in the back of the car still. Little Heidi switches over here. They're messed up now. We're gonna have to go through there and do them again. Even with the alarm light was blue. So old school 8-ball shifter, you gotta love that. That really is just part of the car. Dad, it's just his thing. It's got a TKO Tremec, I believe, 5-speed in it. It's definitely not stock AOD or whatever they called them back then. I think the AOD was the automatics. We had one that had that in it. A little dirty. She needs cleaning, but she will be a contender again one day. This right, I'm just going to try to get this set up going the way back going. And then after that, we might even, I don't know, I thought about putting like a Coyote, or maybe trying to get a model, you know, new kind of power plant to put in this bad girl. She'll have clear lenses because that was what Dad wanted. He liked those clear lenses. They were all hot back then. He thought that was real cool, so it'll get that treatment. Definitely gonna have to go back and freshen her back up. But he called her the Silver Surfer. She's just the Fox to me. But it's my dad's car. This is my next project I'm gonna get hopping on. And stay tuned. I'm gonna do other videos on my Camaro and my 240s. They're not much to look at, but everybody's like, oh, Ron's got a bunch of cars, blah blah blah. Yeah, I do got a bunch of cars. I love cars, especially, you know, unique ones, or cars you don't really see anymore. So, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Every time I'm around this car, I get emotional. Is what it is. But still having a great day. You guys have a great day. And like always, guys, peace.